Hi, I'm Robert from MoveWorkForward. In this video, we're going to cover viewing Bitbucket activity reports in Google Chat using Google Chat integration for Bitbucket by MoveWorkForward. To begin, go to the repository in question, and then go to the repository settings by selecting the cog in the bottom left. Then, under Workflow, select Google Chat. Now go to the Activity Reports tab. The setup is fairly straightforward, so click on Create Report. Enter a suitable name. You want to leave the enabled box ticked so the configuration is set up. Then you want to provide the spaces URL for the channel in question. For the pull request inactive window, this specifies the number of days a pull request must be inactive before it will show up on the relative section of the activity report. Next, we can specify how often we want to receive the report. You can receive it daily, as in Monday to Sunday, on working days, as in Monday to Friday, or once a week. If you select weekly, you can specify the day and the time in 15-minute increments. And if you select daily, you can specify the time, again in 15-minute increments. So once you've specified your frequency, you can click on Test. And if we pop back into our spaces, we can see a test report has just come through. And as we have it set as daily, it's for the last 24 hours. However, if we set it to weekly, it will cover the previous week, as we can see here. So then just click on Save, and your activity report is set up. Should you wish, you can edit the activity report by clicking on the edit button here if you want to change the frequency. You can remove the report by clicking on delete, or you can click on view activity and you will see a sample of the information in the report. And that's it, a pretty straightforward and simple guide so you can view activity reports and get a wealth of information in Google Chat regarding your Bitbucket repositories. Thanks.